look at some examples where it's not just all letters. This time you've actually got numbers and letters mixed. So when we do that, we're going to distribute this 2 into the -3 and also into the 8. So here we have -3 times -3, which we know is going to make a +9. And then we're just going to say a squared. So it's just going to be a2. Okay, now if we look at this one down here, we're going to have 4 to the second power, which is 16. And then we're going to say a, and we're going to multiply the 3 and the 2, so it's going to be a6, and then we're going to distribute the b, the 2 to the b, so we're just going to have b squared. Okay, now if we look at these ones down here, first we're going to distribute this 3 to the second power, so 2 to the third power would be 8, and then we would distribute the 3 to the x, so we would have x3, and then it's going to go to the y3. Okay, now this one down here, we're going to distribute this 2 into the 3, so -3 times -3 will be 9, and then we're going to put down our x, and we're going to multiply the 2 and the 2, so we're going to get x4 to the fourth power, and then we're going to say y, and we have a 3, and we're going to times that by the 2, which is going to give us 6, and then the z, anytime it doesn't have a number, we always know that means 1, so we would just have z squared. Okay, now if we look at this one over here, we have 4 times 4, so that would be 64, because, and this time it's going to be a negative, because if we have -4 times -4 times -4, this would be 16 positive, and then 16 times 4 is going to give us -64, and then we have x squared times 3, so now this time we know we're going to multiply 2 times 3, which is going to give us 6, and then the y would just be 1, so 1 times 3 would just be 3. Okay? So whenever you have it in parentheses, just remember you have to distribute that power, like this 2 here, you have to distribute that to everything inside that parentheses. Okay?